Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am 𝐀𝐫𝐢𝐟'𝐬 and
I am 𝐴𝐵𝐴𝐻𝐵.
today we are going to share some stunningly beautiful idioms with you. I will share the idioms and
I will say the meaning.
so without any further delay,
Let's get started.
Pretty penny,
Expensive.
foul play,
Cheating.
evil days,
A period of misfortune.
40 wings,
A short nap.
clouds on the horizon,
Problems.
spill the beans,
Reveal a secret.
pull someone's leg,
To joke with someone.
cry for the moon,
To ask for something that is very difficult.
round the bend,
Crazy.
a wet blanket.
A person who discourages enjoyment.
It's not rocket science.
It's not complicated.
Miss the boat.
It's too late. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel.
See you later.
Goodbye.